Track and field analyst Dwayne Extall says athletes leaving high school this year must look at the option of training locally should they not be able to secure a scholarship to attend school overseas. Extall, a winning boys champion captain with Wolmer's, says while he doesn't expect the numbers to be great, he believes athletes could miss the opportunity to secure scholarships in the USA because of the additional year of eligibility for NCAA athletes due to the coronavirus pandemic. He says this could lead to a greater number of athletes training locally.
If athletes will stay in Jamaica next year, this now becomes another question of what are your intentions? How confident are you that you will be going to a safe space, especially with COVID-19 still in the air and not sure how prevalent it will be in a couple months from now. You know, that question arises as well. People are saying athletes will stay here and train, and I don't think there's anything particularly wrong with that, staying here an extra year to train, but that extra year also gives the athletes time to brush up on academics, especially those who haven't done the SATs, who haven't gotten their SAT scores in line or got the grade that they want for SATs. It gives them more time to get a higher score so they can be more eligible for a scholarship.
Last Monday, the NCAA Division I Council voted to grant an extra year of eligibility to all student athletes in spring sports whose seasons were cancelled because of the coronavirus pandemic.